Let's go explore Semuc Champey together. Yay! Made it to the top! Quite a marvelous place. This is life! Taking your shuttle is quite easy. You can either book your tickets on guatemala.com or you can just walk around and buy the tickets from one of the many tour operators. Yes, it is a long drive, but we did stop at a few points which are really beautiful. The nature is really untouched except for that road passing through. It's been almost, exactly 12 hours since I left from Panajachel, and I finally arrived in Lanquin. Our shuttle broke down a little bit, and this truck behind me, that's a truck that's gonna take me to my hotel, and we are still waiting for 5 more people, so I don't know when this day will end, but I'm really exhausted. I just can't wait for a bed tonight. Yep, the joys of traveling. After an hour waiting, we're finally heading to the hotel. And yes, it is a dirt road, but I'm excited because it looks more natural. Buenos dias from Semuc Champey, and I just woke up, gonna get some breakfast and start exploring. So I had a really good night's sleep because I was really tired after sitting in a bus the whole day yesterday. A few things about this place. So one, I would definitely recommend staying in Greengos. That's where I am, and it's a really cool place. And they have a cute little pool as well, and they're really helpful. There's no Claro signals here, but they have Wi-Fi, which helps, which is only in the common area. Again, bring enough cash because they can take card payments, but it's gonna be an 8% extra. And the closest city from here is Lanquin, which is like about 40 to 50 minutes on a really bad road, and you need to book it properly in advance. So yeah, they have good food here though, so gonna go get my breakfast and then we start exploring. Breakfast with a view. Oh my god. Hola, buenos dias. Let's go a little tour of the place we're staying at now with this cutie. If you're coming to Semuc Champey, I know you might be tempted to book a place in Lanquin, which is the closest city. It's quite dodgy and it's quite far, and you'll be wasting pretty much an hour in the morning and going back. So I would not recommend Lanquin. There are a few options here in Semuc, and you can definitely find a place here. I'm here and ready and excited to go in. Let's go! So when you enter, there's a path that leads you to the pools, and I wanted to get to the farthest one and ended up going on the path that leads to the mirador, the viewpoint. So going there now. If you're coming here, maybe bring some sandals because it's not a good idea to do this in flip-flops. Yeah, it's very slippery. If you like nature and adventure and like to find out more places like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yay! Made it to the top! Look how beautiful this place is. Alright, now all we need is to just go down and jump into those beautiful pools. By the way, come on a weekday if you can, because there's a queue here just to come on this platform and take a photo. So yeah, can't stay here for too long. Oh my god, look at that. That was a proper hike. I wasn't expecting it to be. I thought it would be like a cute little way up to see the point, but it was actually not that hard, but it was more slippery. That was the problem. Let's go to the pools now. I'm super excited. Let's go. By the way, there's nothing to eat inside, so there's like this one little thing outside. I'm just gonna get some food from here and eat inside. So if you want, just do bring some food with you. So Semuc Champey, from what I understood, means a river that disappears under a mirage. So these pools are on top of a river that disappears, like you can see it if you walk to the very far end. I'll show you. And then it comes out on the other side, and these pools are just something that sits on top. Quite a marvelous place. But there's nowhere here to sit or chill. So you can just swim. There are lockers, and then I guess you can't stay here for too long for that reason. So I'm gonna do the same. The pools are really beautiful, but they're also quite busy, and I think I'm gonna go to the hotel to swim at the pool and chill there, because here you can swim for a bit, but it's rocky and it's muddy, and yeah, so you can't stay here like the whole day, just like I thought initially I would. So I'm gonna go to the hotel now. I'll see you there. Semuc Champey is in the middle of nowhere, and the nature here is beautiful. It is largely untouched, which is great, and apart from this little park, you can see miles and miles of beautiful untouched forest. I love this place. I ended up spending the rest of the day in the pool, just chilling and swimming. It was quite warm, so it felt really nice to do that. And then it got dark and we had a nice barbecue dinner, which was a great surprise. What better way to end your day than a beautiful moonrise over the forest? Buenos dias! It's another nice day in Semuc Champey, and we are going for a little hike, a cave, some tubing, and hopefully a rope swing. So let's see how many of these I actually managed to do today. Let's go. I'm on a trampoline, and this is where you can jump into the river from. The current is quite strong though, so I wouldn't recommend it if you're not a good swimmer, just like I am not. Or you can just get on that swing. So cool. Honestly, when you get off the bridge, start walking back towards Lanquin, and this road, there's not that many people, and there's some really beautiful spots. So this is a perfect spot for hiking. Oh, so peaceful. That was a nice little hike, and there's a couple of good spots, but yeah, my system's overheating, so we're going tubing now. Let's go. I would recommend booking your tubing and cave tickets together because you will get a discount. Thank me later. But I'm quite excited about tubing. The water is really nice here. Let's go. Remember when I told you the river comes out under from the pools? This is the waterfall where you can see that, and it's this very end where you start tubing. The waterfall is a great place to chill and relax because there are not that many people around, and I was sitting waiting for my new friends that I made. Hey guys, if you're watching. This is life! Oh, so good. Whoa. Oh my god, we just finished tubing and it was incredible. It's like so relaxing and nice and just so chilled, and we're gonna do the cave tour now. If you are claustrophobic, I would advise against it, which I am a little. So, but I've been told that you can back out at any time. So yeah, let's see. But you have to go inside with a candle. Let's see. Wow! Got the candle. Time to go to the cave now. This is the way. Ready to go with my Mayan tattoo. I just finished the cave and it's been an amazing, incredible experience. Wow, I've never done anything like this. I mean, I was planning on doing it in Belize, which is my next stop, but wow. I mean, if you're claustrophobic, I still wouldn't recommend it, but it's not as bad because you have like, there's always a safer, you know, less adventurous option. So they have like ropes, they have these ladders you can go up and down, so it's quite fun. And it takes about an hour. The guides were really nice. The guy even told us like where to put our feet. Beware of the Mayan tattoos because that's like the soot from the candle. So you put it on at the time and you're really happy. Taking it off later, that's another story. So be careful with that. I'm gonna be honest, I just came for the pools, which are really nice, and I mean you could spend a little bit of time there, but I had a much nicer time with the river, with the tubing, and I met some like two really nice girls and I had an amazing time. So make some friends, you know, stay in a nice hotel, hostel, meet some people. It was really fun doing it, and especially the tubing was perhaps like the most favorite part of mine. I'm really hungry, it's almost 3:30 and I had a breakfast only. I'm gonna go get some food, chill by the pool, and then just get packing for the shuttle tomorrow to Flores. Yo tengo mucho hambre. I hope that's correct. My 2 beautiful days in Semuc Champey have gone and I am sad, but I need to move on. And it's going to be another long day of traveling, but I am heading to Flores, Tikal and Jasha. So click on the link above and meet me there. This is Brown Boy Travels. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, subscribe and share. And do let me know in comments if you have any questions. You can also reach me on Instagram. I will see you in another beautiful destination in another video. Until then, you have a wonderful day ahead. Bye!